Rheumatoid arthritis is one of the most common autoimmune diseases out there. And if you have it, you know how painful and debilitating it can be. But did you know that there are certain foods that can actually make your rheumatoid arthritis symptoms worse? In today's video, we will discuss some of these foods so that you can avoid them and hopefully feel better. Stay tuned. I'm a rheumatologist. And this channel is dedicated to helping you understand your autoimmune disease and make you an informed patient so you can take control of your health. Remember, we do this together. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Share it with your friends and subscribe for more content. Let's get started. No, one is sugar and high fructose corn syrup. Now here is the deal with sugar. It's been linked to so many health problems from obesity to diabetes to heart disease. So why am I focusing on sugar in this video? Well, it's because sugar has also been linked to inflammation. In fact, a recent study showed that people who consumed a lot of added sugar had higher levels of inflammation in their bodies. And we all know that inflammation is at the heart of all autoimmune diseases. So what does this mean for you? Well, it means that you need to be careful about the amount of sugar that you're consuming. Sugar can be hidden in many foods, including processed foods, sugary drinks, and desserts. By reducing your sugar intake, you may be able to reduce inflammation in your body and improve your symptoms of rheumatoid arthritis. The American Heart Association recommends that adults consume no more than 24 to 36 grams of sugar per day. That's about 6 teaspoons. To help you cut back on sugar, read food labels carefully and choose products that have less than 10 grams of sugar per serving. No. 2 is refined carbohydrates. Refined carbohydrates are carbohydrates that have been stripped of their fiber and nutrients. Examples of refined carbohydrates include white rice, bread, and pasta. These carbohydrates are quickly broken down into sugar in the body, which can cause blood sugar spikes and inflammation. A recent study found that consuming refined carbohydrates was associated with an increased risk of developing rheumatoid arthritis. Another study found that eating refined carbohydrates regularly could lead to joint pain and stiffness. If you want to reduce your risk of developing rheumatoid arthritis or improve your symptoms, try cutting back on refined carbohydrates and replacing them with complex carbohydrates. Complex carbohydrates are carbohydrates that contain fiber and other nutrients. Examples of complex carbohydrates include whole grain bread, brown rice, and oatmeal. Fiber helps to slow down the digestion and absorption of carbohydrates, which can help to prevent blood sugar spikes and inflammation. Number 3, vegetable oils. Vegetable oils such as corn, cottonseed, canola, and soybean oil are high in omega-6 fatty acids. While omega-6 fatty acids are essential for the body, consuming too much of them can cause inflammation. In fact, a recent study found that people who consumed more vegetable oils had higher levels of inflammatory markers in their blood. Vegetable oils are commonly used in processed foods, so it's important to read food labels carefully and choose products that don't contain these oils. Try to cook with healthy oils such as olive, coconut, or avocado oil instead. Number 4 is red and processed meat. Red and processed meat are high in saturated and trans fats, which can cause inflammation. A recent study found that people who consumed more red and processed meat had an increased risk of developing rheumatoid arthritis. Plus, red and processed meats are also high in salt and preservatives, which can worsen joint pain and swelling. If you want to reduce your risk of developing rheumatoid arthritis or improve your symptoms, try cutting back on red and processed meat and replacing them with plant-based protein sources such as beans, lentils, and tofu. No. 5 is alcohol. Alcohol consumption has been linked to an increased risk of developing rheumatoid arthritis. In addition, alcohol can worsen joint pain and swelling, making it harder to control your symptoms. If you do drink alcohol, do so in moderation. The recommended amount is up to 1 drink per day for women and up to 2 drinks per day for men. I know that avoiding these foods can be difficult, but the benefits to your health are definitely worth it. By making small changes to your diet, you can help reduce inflammation in your body and improve your symptoms of rheumatoid arthritis. So, what are you waiting for? Start today and see how much better you feel. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. Share with your friends and subscribe for more content. And remember, we do this together. I'll see you next time.